my Generac Generator 6 kilowatt EcoGen series. It keeps cranking, but it won't start, and it goes to alarm overcrank. And when it was running the other day, it was hard for me to get it started a couple days ago, but it finally got started and it ran. And then the next time I tried to turn it on, it ran for about 15 minutes and shut off, and it hasn't started again. I checked the oil. This one's down to, it was down to a third. I added oil. This bottom one was empty, so I put oil in that. I put a little bit in there. It doesn't have a dipstick or anything, but I put some in there. I'm not really sure what that goes to. I don't know anything about engines. My battery's good. It should be good anyway. I really don't know what the problem is. I tried troubleshooting, and it says something about adjusting the valve, but I don't even know how to get to it. If anybody knows how, I would appreciate some help. And if it helps at all, it's about 25 below outside. Pretty cold, but I'm hooked up to propane, and I've got a huge propane tank, and I know there's no problems with the tank because I have a propane heater on inside. Looks like my house just finally died. I run off of batteries. This runs my batteries, so this is all my power for the house. Anyways, if you have any ideas of how to fix this. Another troubleshooting thing said spark plugs maybe need to be cleaned or replaced, but I don't know how to get to those either. I'm going to check YouTube. All the YouTube videos just say change your spark plugs or change this or check that, but it doesn't actually show you how. So any advice would be great. Thanks.